classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and today we're jumping back into the world of Rainbow High, and today we have Emmy. Now, Emmy's focus in school is a little different than some of the other girls we reviewed. The side of her box says that she is a visual arts focus, so she's all into the visual arts. I do want to announce in this review, if you hear any rumbling or crumbling in the background or drills, they are currently working on some construction around here, so if you hear it, that's what it is. Now, jumping straight into it, Miss Emmy, she is full of surprises. First of all, this doll reminds me of a Tokyo pull-up doll that I had, Tokidoki pull-up that I had, and she's so cute. Now, Emmy is different from her other counterparts so far because she's the only one that comes with instructions. Yes, Emmy comes with instructions on how to put on her shoes. Now, this is for her secondary shoes, which we're going to take a look at a little bit later. Emmy also comes with this really cool comb. And she comes with a stand and, of course, 2 hangers. One just fell down. And, of course, her secondary outfit. Now, before we go into the doll, I do want to show you guys these secondary heels. And you can kind of see it's kind of intricate. So I can kind of see why they decided to put in instructions for people who may not understand. Small children who may not understand how to put this together. This is a $27.88 doll. So we're gonna look her over and see what she's giving. First of all, this hair, it moves, okay? It's very nice. It's purple and magenta highlights. No earrings for this one, but it's long and it's so soft. One thing about MGA, they never have step with the hair, darling. So looking at Miss Emmy's face, she's definitely giving us a full face beauty. Her eyes are magical. That's what they're giving me. The lip is on point. Going down to her outfit, she dressed very comfortable. She kind of reminds me of Self. A lot of hoodies, a lot of skirts. Yes, just my style. Now these boots, now she high stepping. With these boots, MGA actually gave us real strings to lap around the top of them, going down to the platform bottom. I love this thick, chunky heel. Emmy got it going on. Her nails, of course, match her aesthetic, as you can see, and her hoodie on the back looks kind of like this. So both of these do Velcro, and these are separate pieces. And she does come with the tilt feature, of course, shoulder articulation, elbow, wrist, and of course the knee. They also have hip articulation. She's very beautiful. Now, Emmy, are you ready to show everyone your secondary look? I am. Now, Storm Dolls, before we jump into her secondary look, because you can tell I already opened her up, Emmy is full of surprises. Let me show you something. When you first get this hoodie out of the packaging, it comes with this shirt underneath. So I pulled this out, and this is a total another piece included, and it says Rainbow High all over her top. I was like, let me see if this separates, because I wasn't sure, and it does. So I'm gonna get Miss Emmy dressed up in her secondary look, and we're gonna see what she's bringing to the e-party. Alright, Storm Dolls, I am in the middle of changing Emmy into her secondary look. And you know I love an honest review. So she does have a series of marking. And a lot of the marking is from the dye that was on the, that was on the sweater and the skirt. Emmy is a very beautiful doll. But, you know, if you guys want, you can use a series of items like the cream. What is that cream called we put on dolls? It's like, I don't know, if you have a zit cream, you can put it on dolls, and the cream like overnight takes marks away. Me personally, you know, I don't care. But for anyone who doesn't want her marked up, because I'm thinking it isn't just my doll, because all of them have the skirts and everything. So just look your doll over, and if I find it, I'm gonna put the item on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You basically lather it up on the marks on the doll's body. Then you sit them outside in the sun, or if you have a window sill or anything, you sit them out in the sun and allow them to bake. The next day or a few days later, when you wash it off, usually the mark is either gone or lightened up. So yeah, you can see those marks. Just keeping it real. But me and Emmy are gonna keep getting dressed and we'll be right back. Me and Emmy are back and I have her in secondary look. And I really love this look, but you know I'm gonna tell you all about this look. So let's go straight into it. Now, how did I do applying these heels? Well, you be the judge. I think I did really, really good. And you can see it has the R and the H, still giving me ever after high tees. Because ever after high I used to do stuff like this too. Okay. But I think I did pretty good. Maybe I could have laced them up a little bit better, but I think I did pretty good. So I don't think you guys will have that hard of a time with the shoes. Now, and if we go up to her skirt, I really love this skirt piece. And this is definitely going to be a piece that's shared amongst the girls. I could definitely see like a Jade wearing this or something like that. So this is her sweater piece, and you know this is dual pieces, so underneath this is a separate shirt, but her top says rainbow. It's definitely thick. This isn't a thin overlay. This is a thick top. You can see her sleeves coming down to the sides, and everything does Velcro in the back. I was trying to get it to close, but she's literally wearing 2 full tops. It's a little tricky, but overall, what do I think about Miss Emmy, and was she worth that $27 price point? Well, for me personally, I'm gonna say yes. I definitely think Emmy is worth that price point. Everything she comes with 2 outfits. She comes with a hoodie you can wear just like this, or with the shirt underneath. She comes with the boots. Like, it's a lot there. So my recommendation for Emmy is a yes. I love her hair. It's so beautiful and it's so soft. Like, I love it so much. Her hair is really a huge factor for me. Plus, I love that they put out a doll that was wearing a hoodie. Like, most companies don't do that. Most, not to be shady, dolls are dressed scantily clad. And you know, I get it, it's for sales. So I kind of love that they had this doll with this huge hoodie as her first look, not secondary look. So you can actually put this with the skirt. She's a really fun doll. I want to thank everyone who checked us out today. Miss Emmy did have a few body paint issues due to her clothing, and she's such a pale doll. Like, I'll compare her really quickly to a doll like Daria. So like, I think if Daria had on some of those pieces, yes, she would have got the staining as well, but it wouldn't have been as visible. Because Emmy is such a light complector, it did really show up on the doll. I want to thank you guys for popping in with us today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And just know this, I will see you in my next video. Now, Emmy, you know I want to ask, who should we review next? Well, it'll be a surprise. Yes, it will be. So make sure you're staying tuned.